PCB routing is never just a simple connect the dots game, it's the core technology determining product success. For flexible PCBs, traces must be staggered to avoid forming a stiff I-beam that cracks during bending. And teardrop pads should be used to disperse stress and prevent trace detachment. For high-speed HDI boards, routing becomes a precise physics challenge. Strict differential impedance control and avoiding bias stubs are essential to ensure pure, interference-free signals. We adhere to a manufacturing-first philosophy, using DFM reviews to proactively identify issues like traces too close to the board edge or insufficient line width, guaranteeing not just short or open circuit safety but 99.9% production yield. As a specialist in complex HDI and rigid flex designs, we offer one-stop services from routing optimization to PCBA testing. Reliable products,